Alright, I am doing a muffler, Plasti Dip muffler for my brother's 2000 SI, which he is selling, which it is right here if anybody is interested. 2000 SI. We do have some, never mind. Muffler, Plasti Dip. Here we go. Coat number 1. Still needs a few minutes to dry. Number 2 on the way. Number 2 looks good. I thought it was gonna be a challenge because it's round, but it's actually not that hard. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than it actually is. But it's going good. See you on the third one. 3. It's dark outside and you can't see it from that angle, but looking good. It's actually going on real nice and even too. So there's 3. I think 3 might be good. I'm gonna do one more just in case because there's still a little bit of chrome showing under there around the edges, you know, right in there. But looks pretty good. See you for 4. Here is number 4. This looks amazing. There's a light, you can see a little overspray, but I think that should go away. And you can still see the logo down there, STP. The rest is a bad welding job by a previous owner. It's still pretty thick on there right now. I'm working on doing it in 4, but I think it should be okay. I don't know. I might do a 5th. Looks pretty good right now. So we'll see. See what it looks like all dried up. It's kind of drying pretty quick. Alright, I'll be back for a 5th or final whatever it was I say in all my other videos. Finished product. Alright, stopping at 4. Here's the finished, completely dried. Some messed up weld right there, but that's okay. Hello.
Oh.
Well, yeah, there it is. Looks pretty good. Gonna leave it like that. Put it on and see how it holds up to the heat. So yeah, 4 coats and it's done.